It's another beautiful morning. Let's make some money again. As you can see on my Binance account, I have 9,881 USDT. That's a total of 1.27 million in Kenyan shillings, guys. If I refresh like this, you can see it's not fake, it's still balanced. And guys, remember, this video is for educational purpose only, and I do not encourage it as a financial advice unless you do exactly what I'm doing. So guys, today on this video I'm going to show you how you can grow your profit capital in your Binance account using crypto arbitrage trading. Okay, we are going to use an exchange called Binance.com, which is a very popular exchange in the world with over 300 million users. And also we are going to use another exchange called Trexbeak.com, which is also a very popular exchange with over 1 million users in the world. Okay, the reason why we are going to use these guys is because USD is pegged with the $1 on Binance, but if we come here, the USD is below. I will show you guys. So let's go. Remember guys, crypto arbitrage is risk-free and you need a Trexbeak account. So what you need to do is you go to Google and then you search Trexbeak. Okay, once you search Trexbeak, guys, you will see the first link here. This one is trexbeak.com. And also guys, I want to give a disclaimer and a remark here. You can see on the second search here, there's somebody who has written that beware, Trexbeak is a scam. Let me now explain about this, guys. This person is a scammer himself. What he does is he is taking all major exchanges links and then posts on Instagram to lure people to text him. Let me show you something. If I click on this, you can see I'll go to this guy's Instagram, and once I go there, you can see that this guy has almost listed major exchanges. Like, it's not only Trexbeak, it's very many exchanges, and he's trying to do what we call a crypto recovery scam solution. So what he does is he writes something like Binance is a scam, and then once you type on Google and you land on his page, you will text him and you'll ask him, hey, is Binance a scam? And then he'll tell you, yes, Binance is a scam, don't use Binance, use this exchange instead. Okay, so that's a red flag, guys, and this is a very bad in the community. You need to avoid and report this account. Okay, so the next step, guys, since we have already searched that, let's avoid that scammer. Let's move to trexbeak.com, which is a very legit exchange and regulated, this one. So I hope you have an account. If you don't have an account on Trexbeak, you need to create one. You can see today I have done trades. Let's go to financial history, P2P. You can see I just completed this trade today a few minutes ago, 11 minutes ago in fact. So today I'm going to show you exactly how you can buy high, buy low on trexbeak.com and then sell it high on Binance. Okay, so without wasting time, guys, let's do this. You can see I have on my Trexbeak account 1,218. Okay, so let's go. The first step, guys, you need to click on the three dots on your Trexbeak account after creating the account, and then guys, you need to go to P2P market and then you choose buy. Okay, once you choose buy, guys, the next step, you need to go to USDT, choose USDT as the crypto, and amount, put the amount that you want to trade. I'll put 500, and then you need to find someone with at least 0.8. okay, so I'll find the one with 0.8 rate in USDT. This one is called Amara Diallo, so I'll click on buy, and then I will put amount 500, which I will receive 626, and then guys, I'll click proceed and click pay and then confirm. Okay, it's very easy once you follow the steps carefully. So then you can see this is the address that I have to pay the 500 USD to. So I'll copy the address, and then guys I'll come on my Binance and click on send, withdraw crypto USDT, and then guys I'll paste this address, network TRX, amount I'll put 501.1 because of $1 fee, and then I'll click on withdraw, and then guys I'll confirm my passkey. Remember guys to always keep your passkeys safe and secure. Do not show anyone your passkeys. So now I'm putting my passkeys, and remember these passkeys are only for you. Do not show anyone your passkeys. So now guys you can see the withdrawal is processing. All right, so if I click on view history, you can see I have 500 USDT processing. So what I need to do, I'll go back to Trexbeak and I'll scroll down here and then click I have paid. Remember guys, do not click I have paid if you have not. This might get your account banned by Trexbeak.com. Okay, so now guys what you need to do here is you to be patient so that the payment can be credited to the vendor, and then the vendor will release. So if you are tired of waiting, you can just chat with the vendor, hey please release. Okay, so now I'm talking with the vendor to release the trade. Okay, I think the vendor has replied, say that the system will detect the payment automatically, just wait a moment. Okay, so guys at this moment we just need to be very patient and wait for the payment to be detected. Usually it takes about 1 minute. Actually it has been detected already. See, trade completed, your payment was confirmed. So now I'll click done, and now you see my balance 1,832. Okay, so let me show you how much I made today. Financial history, P2P. This is the first trade that I took. 1,000, I got 1240. That's 240 profit. Going back again, financial history, P2P, and 500 USDT, I got 625. So that's 125, guys. If we go on my calculator, 240 plus 125, that's 365 USD. Very easy. So the next step guys is to withdraw the funds back to my Binance. Okay, so I'm not going to withdraw all the money. I will withdraw let's say 1400, so that I can remain with another amount to trade with. Okay, so I'll go to crypto wallet and then withdraw. Okay, and then guys I will go to Binance, and I will copy my address, deposit crypto USDT TRX, copy the address, and then guys I will go to amount, which is on funding wallet. I'll put 1400, let me say 1600, yes, 1600. Continue to address, and then I'll paste my address here and then repeat the address and then review. So now they have sent me a verification code to my email. So what I need to do is going to my email, and then you can see the verification code is here. I'll copy the verification code, copy it, and then I'll come here and paste the verification code and then confirm withdrawal. Okay, so now guys the withdrawal is pending. So now you can see the withdrawal is now processing. Let's wait for it to arrive on the blockchain. Okay, I think the withdrawal is already on the blockchain. As you can see, the link is here. I'll click on view on blockchain. Okay, you can see it's here. It's successful, but it's unconfirmed, so it's confirming in a few. Okay, so let's wait for it to confirm. Let's give it a few seconds guys. Okay, let's give it a few. you need to be patient at this level. Always be patient. This trading needs you to be very patient, guys. As you can see, I'm withdrawing 1600, but the total amount I'm going to receive will be 1544 after profit. Okay, because I want to still remain with balance to trade with. I think the withdrawal has succeeded. You can see the withdrawal has been confirmed now. So if I go back, I still have 232 to trade with today, and I can also trade with AI bots. You can see trading bots here, guys, and AI. I can still trade with this bot here. Okay, let me show you how I can trade with it. I'll just click on copy, and then, guys, you can see it's telling me that I have insufficient balance, so I will just not trade with that. Anyway, I'll come and trade on P2P with the balance. So what I need to do, guys, now is go to my Binance account and check whether the deposit has arrived. You can see now it has arrived. 10,925 balance, still having 232 in profit on my TrexBeak, which I can withdraw anytime I want. Okay, so that is it, guys, and that's how to trade using TrexBeak and make passive income daily. Thank you so much for watching this video, and remember, this video is for educational purpose only, unless you do exactly what I have done. See you in the next video tomorrow. Cheers.